Welcome to yet another new episode of BizBuzz 24 by 7, which will simultaneously be uploaded on Calcalling TV, Calcalling National, and also be aired on Headlines Tripura, which is the leading channel in Tripura and across many parts of northeastern India. We have today with us Mr. Ankit Chapriya, another young, bright entrepreneur from Kolkata. We normally get to hear about teeing off in golf, but you can actually tee off, albeit with a different spelling, in tea sector, TEA. So, we start our day normally with a cup of tea, and then throughout the day we go on drinking teas, cups after cups. So we'll get to hear many of the stories how he has done this with tea industry. But before everything else, I would ask Mr. Chapriya or Ankit, how did you start your journey in this particular area?
Actually, by profession, I am a chartered accountant and company secretary. But after resigning from my job from Infosys and Birla, I have a vision to start my own industry because I have a passion to start my own business. So this is fortune that one of my friend is already associated with this line of business. So I just talked with him and then I decided to start with my own. Then after establishing around 7 to 8 years ago, my brand is Coffee and I have established alone with fresher. I have no idea what I will do and how I will do, but with the God grace and my passion towards the business, I learned many things and I have started in September 2014. And today we are manufacturing tea and coffee vending machines and premixes with various types of tea and coffee.
So you have your machines and at the same time those premixes.
Yes. We have our machines in our brands and we are manufacturing instant premixes, tea, coffee, lemon tea, tomato soups, masala chai, and also we have launched last year during COVID our immunity booster kadha chai, which can help employees and organizations.
So how many varieties do you have as of now?
As of now, if I will calculate around, I will have 13 to 14 types of tea and coffee.
Both.
In total. Yes, we are also focusing right now on low sugar product because today's scenario, many of the people are suffering from diabetes and they want some low calories tea and coffee also. So we have also have that kind of tea and coffee with the low sugar.
You said you always wanted to do something on your own,
Yes.
starting your own business. But was there any particular trigger to get into tea segment?
No, that's a fortune. That's a really fortune. But
it just happened.
It just happened. And one thing, when I was in Infosys, I have seen there are too many vending machines are there. In single floor also they are having 4 to 5 machines, and they are huge consumption. I also used to drink 5 to 6 cups per day while I was there. So I think मन में एक था हमेशा, like always it was there कि that is a good thing. But when I got this opportunity, I just took it. So that's why I came here.
So once you have vending machine, what does your experience say? Actually, your tea consumption gets increased because
Yes,
you don't
yes,
have to
yes.
make it every time.
Yes.
You just go to the machine and get your tea.
No, I will not say that tea consumption increased, but earlier, you can say earlier, 8 to 10 years ago, I was not drinking any tea and coffee. But after completing my chartered accountancy and all those things, when I came into professional or business world, then I started little. But after starting this business, so regularly I am having 2 cups of 3 or maximum 3 cups of tea and coffee per day. So that's
but has there been a distinct shift from having either just earthen pots, tea served in earthen pots, or in those typical cups?
No, actually that kinds of fancy we are not providing because we are installing our machines at offices, corporates, factories. So their main concern is that quality with best rate. So if we will go with these fancy cups, then the cost will not be effective. So we don't focus on that thing. But yes, we focus on our quality, that if they are paying either 4 rupees per cup or 3 rupees or 5 rupees or 10 rupees or 15 rupees, whatever, they should have it more than of that. They should while drinking tea and coffee, they should feel happy that yes, it's worth to pay that. That's our focus.
So your customers are mostly institutional customers.
Institutionals are mostly, and also we some other retailers kind of there. We can install our machines where 20 or more peoples, or you can say that 30 or 40 cups per day can be consumed. Like a panwala can also install a vending machine. If panwala locates in a proper crowded area and he thinks ki daily we can have 100 cups or 50 cups consumed, he can sell, then he can also earn good profit from this. So we are installing at panwala shop also, but we have many varieties as per their customers requirement, as per a customer's budget also. We are giving them products. So we are pocket friendly as well as we are quality best in our segment.
So your model is basically you want us to pay something upfront, or it's rental or user based?
We have 2 or 3 models. We sell the machines, we rent it out, and somewhere we don't charge rents also. Depends on the customer and their consumption pattern. So like this we are working.
So how is this catching up in Kolkata in particular, having tea or coffee from vending machines?
Actually, if we say that in Kolkata, it's in all over India. Right now, everyone are too busy. Either both husband and wife are working, or every member of the family are working. So they don't have time to make any tea and coffee for themselves. So they are trying to have some easy solution for themselves. So we have also our per cup sachets available for that kind of segment. So we are catering like for the home purpose to our institutionals or office or corporates customers also.
Achha, that facility also?
Yes, we have that segment also.
So you operate out of Kolkata as well? Or
yes, we are working pan-India basis. We have Senko Gold, Imami, Inox lasers. Eastern India we have pan contract with Inox, and Senko Gold and Diamond we have pan-India contract. So we have some bigger clients also, pan-India working. We are focusing on our distributors. We are supplying to them and they are selling there to their customers and their vendors.
So how many installations have you made over all these years?
Roughly around 1,500 machines
already.
Yes, we have.
So it's a kind of clubbing up or bouquet offer. You have to take your machine, then you have your premixes or
yes. Not only if they are having their old machines or they are using some other brands machines, also they can use our product.
Achha, that is also
available because I don't want to throw them. I don't ask my customer to throw them that machine because that's not my brand. If they have purchased that machine, so they will use our product in that machine also. We will make some changes or in the settings and all those things we do, and they are happy to use it. Many of the customers are using like this. We don't ask our customer to throw the machine until it's necessary to throw them.
So do you have your own R&D department to come up with new products,
new
flavors?
Yes. And we have that department, and I am very much engaged in that because I love to make some innovations and I love to do some research. Earlier I wanted to be a engineer, but that's a fortune that I became a chartered accountant. So still also right now also in any kind of research or innovative work I am there to do. That's my habit.
Right now you must be working on other flavors and other products.
Yeah, we are looking for one like masala lemon tea we are going to launch soon, because I think it will be a good product for in West Bengal. Actually lemon tea is very much famous, and our lemon tea people likes very much. They are ordering us from Bihar, Mumbai, Delhi 1 kgs by paying 150 courier charges. The product which cost around 350 to 370, and they are paying 150 extra for the courier charges to get that lemon tea because they want to have that lemon tea. So we have that kind of customers also who loves to drink our lemon tea. So we are launching one very soon, masala lemon tea.
So going by the popularity of the type of products that you have, do you have any plans to get into those tea bag segment? Although this is not tea per se, but people have it like tea. So do you have any plans to get into that segment?
Right now,
or maybe ready-made tea? I think I've seen some companies selling that also. You just mix that premix powder in hot water.
That's I told na, per cup sachets wise.
That you already have.
Yeah, that we already have. We for the travelers, like people are traveling from India to some other countries or some other places where they don't have Indian tea or coffee, so they can carry with themselves that our traveling sachets we have. So they just need to add hot water and nothing else, and coffee premixes.
So since this is an edible segment, you have to maintain or strictly maintain
Yes.
quality and
Yes. We are very
how
much
do you
focused.
ensure that?
We have
Do you have any
Yes.
quality control department?
Yes. Because production, I used to present there. At the time of production, I used to be there because I have to check each and everything, whether every department is working well or not. I used to visit factory regularly, so that workers should also maintain that hygiene and all those things. So we are maintaining everything.
So like right now you are getting these machines from someone else, like OEM facilities.
Yes.
Any plans to get into
No, right now
manufacturing?
not getting any plans for manufacturing machines. My full focus is now on premixes part, that how we can increase our volumes by year to year.
So you have already installed 1,500 odd machines.
Yes.
Maybe 1 year down the road, what is the figure that you are looking at?
By March 2022, I'm looking to increase my installations by more than 700 to 800 more machines, and later you can say that within 2 or 3 years I'm planning to cross it minimum 5,000 machines pan India.
Pan India.
Yes.
So right now, which are the places or states where your brand is or have a strong presence?
West Bengal,
Other than Bengal?
And we are working in Jharkhand, like Ranchi, Dhanbad. We have also we are coming up in Bihar also, in Patna, by next week only. And you can say that actually our few customers are working pan India, so we are supplying pan India basis. Actually in this segment we have to maintain our quality along with rates, so we are starting now to expand our business throughout the Eastern India. First we are focusing in Eastern India, then we will go other part of the region.
Going by the current trend, people are getting increasingly concerned about health and hygiene aspect.
Yes.
People are becoming looking for products which are healthy and hygienic.
Yes.
So going forward, do you have any plans to focus more on this segment? Like you said, you have already launched immunity booster product.
Yes.
So maybe more and more products in those.
I love to do that. So it will take more of research and more of focus, that what we can do and what people will like to have it. Because with the tea and coffee, if we do more and more innovations, it will not be suitable for the customers, because they want proper tea and coffee to refresh themselves. So I want best cup of tea and coffee for them to refresh themselves, because employees are working throughout the day 8 to 9 hours in a day for the organizations. So I want a good cup of tea and coffee or lemon tea or anything for them, so that they can do work properly. That's my focus.
So your competition will mainly be with tea bags, or those connoisseurs of teas will always like to have that tea made or coffee made. But I think your competition will be mostly with the tea bags. No? Those who want to have it kind of ready-made tea.
Our competition is with them who are making tea by hand at the workplace.
Okay.
We want to replace them. because we cannot cater each and everywhere. But those organizations who are making teas at their own, at offices or workplace, we want to replace that, because it will save manpower, cost and time. So we are focusing on that.
So you wanted to become an engineer, become a chartered accountant.
Yes.
Then you wanted to carry as a chartered accountant and become an entrepreneur. What next, Ankit?
By the way, I am a sportsman too.
Achha?
I have represented West Bengal state level in athletics.
In athletics?
Yes. I wanted to be a sportsman earlier, but some situation with the family, so I tried with, I thought that I can be an engineer, but I came to commerce line, then I became CA. Now I am a businessman. I am proud that I am doing business, and I am helping our employees or other people to run their lives, and looking forward to create more employment for others people also.
Anything up your sleeves right now? That maybe some new areas where you are planning to foray into?
No, right now I am focusing on these things, and in coming 2-3 years I will be fully focused in these things. I want to increase my productions capacity and my consumption, sell customers. After that we will think.
জাস্ট টু সাম আপ ইন বেঙ্গলি, আপনারা শুনলেন কলকাতারই এক উদ্যমী তরুণ অঙ্কিত ছাপারিয়া। উনি একসময় স্বপ্ন ছিল বা মনে করেছিলেন ইঞ্জিনিয়ার হবেন, পরে চার্টার্ড অ্যাকাউন্টেন্ট হয়েছেন, ইনফোসিসের মতো কোম্পানিতে কাজ করেছেন, বিড়লা গোষ্ঠীতে কাজ করেছেন, কিন্তু শেষ পর্যন্ত ওনার ভেতরের যে ওই এন্টারপ্রেনারশিপের তাড়নাটা, সেটা ওনাকে উদ্যোগপতি বা এন্টারপ্রেনারই বানিয়েছে। উনি এখন টি কফি ভেন্ডিং মেশিন এবং তার সঙ্গে এই যে প্রিমিক্স টি কফি, সেই দুটোরই ব্যবসা একযোগে করছেন। অলরেডি প্রায় 1,500-এর মতো ইনস্টলেশন হয়ে গেছে এবং এটা সারা ভারতবর্ষ জুড়ে। এখন উনি চাইছেন এটাকে আরও বাড়িয়ে, সংখ্যাটাকে মানে অ্যাকচুয়ালি লাফিয়ে লাফিয়ে বাড়িয়ে, যাতে আগামী 1-2 বছরের মধ্যে তামাম ভারতবর্ষ জুড়ে এই সংখ্যাটা 5,000-এ পৌঁছে যায়। তো আমরাও দেখতে থাকবো এবং আমাদের সবসময় ওনার প্রতি শুভকামনা থাকবে। এই কলকাতা থেকে আসা এই উদ্যোগী তরুণ আরও ভালোভাবে এগিয়ে আসুন এবং ওনার ব্যবসাটা আরও ফুলে ফেপে উঠুক বা তিল তিল করে তিলোত্তমা হয়ে উঠুক, এই শুভেচ্ছা জানিয়ে আই এম শিওর উইল গেট টু মিট Ankit Chhapriya sometime very soon, and that time he will have many more stories, many success stories to narrate. Till then, keep watching BizBuzz 24/7, Calcalling and Headlines Tripura if you are in northeastern part of the country. Thank you very much.
Thank you.